students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss linear equation in two variable, that is maths part 1 topic, maths 1, which is included into the syllabus of SSC. So today we are going to discuss this first topic. I hope you will listen carefully. First one is, what is the definition of the linear equation in two variable? Linear equation in two variable means what? The equation having degree 1. Okay, degree क्या है? 1 है. And which contain how many letter or variable? 2 letter. That is called as what? The linear equation in two variable. Okay, simple है. जिसकी डिग्री मीन्स हाईएस्ट इंडेक्स कितना है? 1 है. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं 2x plus 3y is equal to -2. It contain 2 letter and इनकी डिग्री कितनी है? 1. That's why they are called as the linear equation in two variable. Whenever degree is not there, that time the degree is definitely 1. Now what is the general form of the linear equation? You may see here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is the general form of linear equation, where a and b never be 0. Actually a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. That is the condition for the general form of the linear equation in two variable. अगर a और b 0 हो गए तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. So degree never be 1, and also whenever 0 multiply by the letter, that equation collapse. That's why a and b never should be the 0. So after introduction of the linear equation and the general form, we will see examples. You may see that here examples, that is the 2x plus 3y plus 2. A means coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y, and c is nothing but the constant. Okay, now listen, it can be written as 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, or in your book, that means 10th book and 9th book also, you may write that 2 is placed to the right hand side of the equal sign. So that is the 2x plus 3y is equal to -2. Other equations, for example, x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 3, p plus q is equal to 4. These are all the examples of linear equation in two variable. I hope you understood the introduction part, what is meant by equation, linear equation in two variable, and general form and example. Let's see further part. Students, here you may see the heading solving equation. In your textbook of the 10th standard and in 9th standard also in part 1 book, how to solve the given linear equation, that is included. First one is the elimination method when the coefficients are same. What is the condition? Coefficients are same. Firstly listen, what is meant by coefficient? यहाँ जो 1 है कुछ नहीं यानी 1 है, 1 is a coefficient. Here is also 1 coefficient. Condition is that coefficients are same. So just see that coefficient of x is same, y is also same. So that time how to solve the equation? Firstly, in order to solve such type of example, you have to write that equation again. X plus y is equal to 2, equation number 1. X minus y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Let's see the signs are opposite or same. So you may see that y के sign क्या है? Opposite है. Signs of y are different. So here you have to add directly. Always remember, whenever signs are opposite, that time you have to add, and when your signs are same, that time you have to subtract. So here adding equation 1 and 2. So here x plus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 4. So that will be y get cancelled. So x plus x, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 3 the 6 means what is the value of x? 3. Now you have to put in any one equation. So here I will write putting x is equal to 3 in equation. For example 1 में हम रखते हैं x की value. Write the one equation again. So x plus y is equal to 2 again. X plus y is equal to 2. So write the value of x 3 here. 3 plus y is equal to 2. 3 goes to the right hand side, it become minus, because we know the rule that what plus goes here minus goes here become plus, like that. So here y is equal to 2 minus 3, that y is equal to minus 1. So finally you have to write that x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1. That is our what? 3 comma minus 1. That is our final answer. You may check that 3 and minus 1. 3 and here minus 1. 3 में से 1 गया 2. So that is the first method whenever the coefficients are same. I hope you understood this one. Now next method of when the coefficients are different. Look here in both equations, that means equation number 1 and equation 2. Coefficient of x is 1 here and here is the 2. Here is the 1, here is the 2. That means coefficients are not same. So what you have to do when such type of examples come into the exam? Firstly you have to match the coefficient. Means what? Here is 1, here is 2. Okay. So here multiply by that 1, here multiply by that the 2. So 2 into x, 2x. 2 into y, 2y. 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 2x, 2x. 1 into 2y, 2y. 1 into 6, 6. Now see that signs are same. So as per the rule, whenever the signs are same, you have to subtract. So minus, plus or minus, here minus, plus a and a minus, cancel. 2x, 2x cancel. Plus 2y and minus 2y, it will again cancel. So that's why we will change a sudden that here is the 4. So 1, here will be the 4y. Okay. So 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 4y, 4y and here 6. What I did here, as the coefficients are same here, 2 multiply by here this one and here 1 into 2, that's why they will get cancelled. That's why I changed the coefficient of y, that is the 4. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. 1 multiply this one as it is. Minus minus minus. 2x, 2x get cancelled. It is a 0. 2x minus 4y minus 2y. 8 minus 6, that is the 2. Okay. So y is equal to minus 1. 2 divided by minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1. As per the previous equation, you have to keep the value of y in equation number 1. Okay. Putting y is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So here x plus y is equal to 4. That is our first equation. Okay. Now here put the value of y. X minus 1 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus 1. That is 5. So solution is x comma y is equal to 5 comma minus 1. That is our answer. You may check that. Put the value of x 5 here. Then minus 1 here. It will 5 minus 1 4. Okay, so in both technique, in both this method, what is the slight change? Here coefficients are same, here coefficients are not same. That time you have to multiply by the coefficient of either x or the y. So you will get the brief answer. It will be written into the x comma y, that bracket. Okay, I hope you understood both these one concept and the introduction part. Okay, student. Here determinant in the topic linear equation in two variable. Further point is the graph section and after that one determinant. Firstly we will discuss determinant and then graph. Determinant means what? For example, the determinant definition. Just see what is meant by the determinant firstly. Whenever the four numbers which are into the row and into the column are arranged in a vertical line, that time it is known as the determinant. Okay. So यहाँ दो column है, आप देख सकते हैं. Which one? That 1, 3 and 2, 4. These are the columns. And दो row है, 2, 1 and the 4, 3. It is known as the row and it is the column. Okay. So whenever the columns and rows are arranged, okay, in the two vertical line, that time it is a determinant. Okay. After that one, how to solve such type of a determinant, that we are going to see. So in order to solve the determinant, you have to multiply by 1 into 4. That means do the cross multiplication here. Okay, firstly 1 into 4 diagonally. 1 into 4 or 4 into 1. But take this priority firstly. Minus 2 into 3. Okay, so one, and always write these two numbers in that box or the bracket. Why? Because if minus come here, it becomes the plus. So 1 into 4, 4. Minus 2, 3 is 6. So answer is the minus 2. Okay. So such type of a determinant can be solved. Again we will discuss one example, that is the 2, 4, 6, 9. How to solve? In exam it will become like into the activity that box into box minus box into box. So how to solve? Look that. Here you have to take 2 and 9, 2, 9. Here 6 and 4 or 4 and 6. So 2 9s are 18 minus 4 6 are 24. Okay, answer will be what? That is 6. But which 6? Minus 6, because the greatest sign is the minus. So 24 minus 18, that answer will be minus 6. So in this way in exam, the 2 mark, this example is allocated for the 2 marks. It comes for the 2 marks into the SSC examination. After that one, the Cramer's rule we are going to discuss. If you know the determinant and solving determinant, then Cramer's rule is very easy. How? Look that. By Cramer's rule, we can we can solve that one. For example, look here now. Firstly, we have to form the determinant of the equation. How to form? Just take 2 and 4 as it is below. That means the coefficient of x you have to write into the determinant. That means 1 below 1. 2 and 4, here 2 and 4. Here 4 and minus 2 as it is. 4 and minus 2. Okay. So it will be what? That value you have to write here, solving the determinant. After that, look that 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 2, minus in bracket 4 into 4. So 2 2s are minus 4. Here minus 4 4s are 16. So what is the value? Minus 4 minus 16, that is minus 20. That is the value of D. Okay. Now we are interested in dx. Okay. Dx means determinant of x coefficient. Whenever dx is there, you have to skip that 2 4, and instead of 2 4 you have to write the constant 6 and 8. So here as it is 6 and 8, and here 4 and minus 2. Let's see and let's solve. As per the rule, 6 into minus 2, 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into 4, 8 into 4. So 6 2s are minus 12, minus 8 4s are 32. What will be the answer? Minus minus here minus. That is the 2 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 1 4 minus 44. That will be the answer of dx. Same way we will find the dy. Dy is equal to, now you have to skip that 4 and minus 2. Instead of 4 and minus 2 you have to write 6 and 8. So here 6 and 8, and as it is 2 and 4 here. Okay. So 2 8s are 16. Again you have to write 2 into 8 minus 4 into 6. Write in a bracket as per rule. 2 8s are 16 minus 4 6 are 24. So it will be again 16 and 24. So 16 plus 4 and 4, that means here minus 8. Okay. So our d value is minus 20. Our dx value is minus 44. And our dy value is minus 8. After that one, you have to find x and y. How? There is a one formula. X is equal to dx upon d, and y is equal to dy upon d. So put the value of dx. dx कितना है हमारा? minus 44. Write down here minus 44. d कितना है हमारा? minus 20. Okay. So here minus minus become plus 44 upon 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 50. Sorry, 4 5s are 20. So 11 upon 5. Now here dy and d, हमारा d minus 20 है, and dy कितना आ गया है? minus 8. So here minus minus plus 8 upon 20. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 4 5s are 20. That means answer is 2 upon 5. So that is the answer of y, that is the answer of x. So I hope you understood what is meant by the Cramer's rules and how to solve the determinant and the determinant into the Cramer's rule, and how to form the determinant of the x and y. So in this way today the main two bits we discussed, that is the Cramer's rule and solving the determinant. In examination definitely on Cramer's rule 4 marks example will come, and on determinant 2 marks example or activity will come. Okay students, now next method is the graph method for solution of the linear equation in two variable. In this example they give the two equation and you have to solve by the graph method. How to solve? Firstly write two equation as it is, then select one equation, that is first x plus y is equal to 4 हमने select किया. After that you have to make a table. In that table take the value of x by your mind. Generally they are 0 1 minus 2 2. Okay, take this range only. So by putting the value of x in the equation you will get the value of y. Okay, for example x is equal to 0 अगर हमने लिया, x is equal to 0, so write the equation x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, 0 is here, so 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to how much? That is the 4. So write down here 4. So our first point is 0 comma 4. Now next put the value of x as 1. So यहाँ 1 रखो. Same equation, x plus y is equal to 4. 1 plus y is equal to 4. 1 goes there, become minus 4 minus 1, 3. So next point is 1 comma 3. Now put the value minus 2 instead of x. So again write down x plus y 4. Every time write this equation. X plus y is equal to 4. So put the value of minus 2 in place of x. Minus 2 plus y is equal to 4. Minus 2 goes here. 4 plus 2, 6. So our next point is minus 2 comma 6. Then 2. Put the value 2 here. 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 4 is equation. 2 values here. 2 goes here. Become minus 4 minus 2, 2. So our equation 2 comma that value become 2. Same way you have to frame the second table for the second equation. हमने first table first के लिए किया, second equation के लिए second table. Same put the values. Okay, again 0 minus 2. Whenever you put the 0, that time our point will be the minus 2. So here 0 comma minus 2. When you put 1, then it will become the same calculation like this one, that is minus 1. Then third one, 1 minus 1, third minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 comma minus 4, and lastly 2 comma 0. Okay, these are our point. Now next duty is that plot a graph. How to plot a graph? Firstly draw x-axis and y-axis. This is the horizontal axis known as the x-axis, and this is the vertical axis that is known as the y-axis. Here angle is the 90-degree always. Now put the value for first line 0 and 4. Okay, here 0, 4, 1, 3. Come here. Where is the 0, 4? 0 is on x-axis and 4 is your what? On y-axis. So first point is the 0, 4. Okay, this one. Then 1, 3. 1 कहाँ है? यहाँ और ऊपर 3 जाओ. Okay, so that will be the 3. 1, 3. Next point minus 2, minus 6. Both are negative. So come in the third quadrant. Minus 2 is here. Minus 6 is here. Okay, so minus 2 and minus 6. You may see that here. Minus 2 and not minus 6 plus 6. So plus 6 minus 2 and plus 6. So minus 2 is here. 6 is here. Okay, so here minus 2, 6, and last one is 2, 2. So it become here 2 and 2, both are the positive. So that is the 2, 2. You may see that 1, 2, 3, 4 points are there. Okay, so don't join this point firstly. Okay, firstly only locate. After that one locate this point 0 minus 2. So 0 is here, minus 2 is here on this way. Then 1, 1, 1 minus 1. 1 is here, minus 1 is here. Okay, like that one. Then minus 2, minus 4, minus 2 here, minus 4 is here. Okay, so minus 2 के नीचे आपको यहाँ minus 4 आ जाएगा. And 2, 0. 2 and 0, that means 2 is here. So this line is like that one. If you pass the straight line, it will be passing. Okay, and if you join this point, that point is nothing but your answer. Okay, so in this way today we discuss how the graph method, that means by graph method how we solve the linear equation in two variable. I hope you understood. Okay, students, now next part from the linear equation in two variable, that maintains and ninth topic is that whenever the equation contains the fraction that time how to solve. Now you may see that x upon 2 y upon 4, x upon 4 y upon 2 is there. How to solve? Firstly you have to take that x and that fraction aside, that means 1 by 2 x plus here 1 by 4 y is equal to 6. What I did? What I did? That fraction, that means here is the 1 by 2 is separate, split up, these two terms split up into x. 1 upon 4 into y is equal to 6. Here also 1 upon 4 into x plus 1 by 2 into y is equal to 8. Okay, just we separate the coefficient and the variable. Okay, now put 1 upon 2 is equal to, that means put 1 by 2 x